everyone, welcome to my channel today. I'm Tara with Pieces of Tara Artistry. Thank you for joining me. Today I am going to be doing a pour with my collaboration group, the Pouring from Coast to Coast group. This week our challenge was to create a painting with sunset colors, so violets, reds, oranges, blues. So I am excited to get to this one. I have not done it yet. Normally I do these videos after I've already poured it. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. Head over to my friends' channels, Garrick Brown Art, Chris Jessic, Fluid Art, and more. Maida Pours, Fluid Art, Britt Clayton Designs, and then of course myself. We're all part of this collaboration and we do it every other Friday. So if you can't join this time, please try to get with us another time. We would love to have you with us. And if you're not subscribed to these people, you guys should be, because they are fabulous artists. So thank you guys again for being here, and I'm gonna get to the pour now.
Okay guys, so I am going to be doing a bloom blowout. That is what I decided to do for my technique this week. Our challenge was sunset colors, so I chose several pretty ones. So I hope that you guys like this one. I'm not going to talk through it, but I am going to let you know right now, spoiler alert, that this first bloom, even though it was really pretty and I really liked it, there was a center section that I blew too deep down into the center pillow when I was trying to spread out my cell activator, and it brought up some white cells in the center that I did not like. So this first one didn't live, the second one did. It's beautiful, and the center turned out better on that one. So I just wanted to let you know it's kind of a twofer. Even though this first one didn't live, you will get to see two bloom blowouts today. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. I am going to let you guys listen to music today. I am getting ready for the Fluid Art Experience. I will be teaching this technique at the Fluid Art Experience. So I'm trying to get ready and don't have a lot of time to edit videos right now. So I will let you watch. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the comment section below. If you are not subscribed, please do like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified each time I put out a new video. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, y'all.
fade, 'cause life is still mystery.